right? So the speed revision number 1. First question is this, second question is this. Write the question and you have to provide the answer at the same time. Find the value of this one, right? And write the answer at the same time. Then I will draw the other one as well, right? Third question. You can draw these figures roughly, yeah? You can draw these figures roughly. Right. I'll give you 1 minute to complete. 1.5 minute. 1.5 minute to complete. Thirty seconds gone. One minute has passed. Fifteen seconds remaining. If you do not know this, right? If you do not know the answer, please skip that. Another 10 seconds, right? Elli line then go for the next, go for the next, go for the next, right? Okay, Bhuti. Time is up, right? So since I am sending you the recording, now you guys need to focus on the board, right? So you can refresh your memory. Refresh memory. Right. Now look at the board, right? So you guys need to be hurry up. This is the place that you are going to make sure that you have enough speed to write the question paper. Right? So the simplify. Here we have 2 divide by 3 upon 2 නේ. Right? What can you do for this division mark? මොකද කරන්න පුළුවන්? Can anyone tell me? What can you do for this? Super. You can convert this division mark into multiplication. So I will clear this. Most importantly, equal mark should be aligned. Alright, last one equal mark. Equal mark. Here we have number 2. Here we have division mark. I am going to convert this division mark into multiplication. If this division mark converted into multiplication, what would happen to the next fraction or next number?
Reciprocal.
Yes, super. Reciprocal. Reciprocal, how we are going to take the reciprocal of 3 upon 2?
2 upon
2 up. Right? You need to change upside down. Numerator and denominator you need to change upside down. 3 upon 2, 2 upon 3. Right? So simplify. 2 times 2, 4. Numerator you have 4. Denominator is 3. Now what we call this fraction? What we call this fraction? What is the important name?
improper fraction.
Super. Improper fraction. Can you convert this improper fraction into a mixed number?
Yes.
Yes. So how we are going to convert this improper fraction into a mixed number? 4 divided by 3. 4 divided by 3. How many 3's are there for 4? 1.
1.
Yes. 3 times 1, 3. Subtract. 4 minus 3, 1. So how we are going to write the mixed number by using these two numbers? Right? Denominator is 3. And denominator is already 3. We know that. And how we are going to fill the whole number part? Which is my quotient. Right? This comes here. 1. And how we are going to fill the numerator? That is our remainder. 1 and 1 upon 3. So this should be your final answer. Okay. Second one. Find the value of square root of 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. As you can remember in the paper class also I told you guys what is this? This is like what?
Knife.
Knife. Yes. Knife ne katta, right? Katta. And this katta can only cut down power 2. Index 2. Right? If you have index 2, this katta can be used to cut down this. Right? Kapan me. Make aragana. Make kapala. So here you have something like this case. This is our expression. Here we have a katta, right? And this katta is common for this power 2 and this power 2, right? So I will use my pencil. Now this is my pencil, right? So you have to use your pencil. Take your katta and cut this. So the remaining thing is 2 times 3. The square root of this 2 times 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. Right? So your answer should be 6. Hurry. Right. Then let's move to the third question. Right. Okay. Now, how we are going to find x and y? What is the easiest thing to find first? Mohat the easiest one nigga. X or y?
X.
Super. X. How we are going to find x?
180 minus 30. Sum of angles in a straight line minus 30 degrees equals 150 degrees.
Super. Excellent. Yes, that is the full answer. So Buddha, here what you have is this top line is a straight line, and on that straight line you have two angles, x and 30. So you guys know, right? On a straight line, right? If there are how many angles, right? It will give you 108. The summation of the all angles on a straight line will give you 108. So by using that theorem, you can say x plus 30. Normally, when you are writing an equation, when you are writing a formula or equation, right? The unknown term, take it to the first place, right? The term that you are going to find, the term that you are going to isolate, take it to the first place. So x plus 30. X plus 30 degrees equals 180 degrees. Why is that? What is the reason? Angles on a straight line, right? So this is the simple notation for angles. It is like an I. This represent angles. Angles on a SL means not Sri Lanka, right? Mama, I use the short form. So you guys cannot use SL. Sri Lanka, not Sri Lanka, straight line. Angles on a straight line, you have to write down the whole thing. Right. So now you are in grade 9. So this is plus 30. If you want to remove that, negate 30 from both sides. Right? No. If you want, you can take this plus 30 directly to this side. Right? If this positive 30 goes to the other hand side of the equal mark, it automatically becomes negative 30. Alright? So Buddha, you can write something like this. Plus 30, negate 30. I am giving you 30 apples, taking back 30 apples. How many apples? 0. X equals 150 degrees. And for your final answer, you need to have degrees. Otherwise, you will lose marks. Half or full. Right? So, how you are going to find y? How you are going to find y? From the y value. Can anyone tell me, Demika? Can you tell me, Demika? How you are going to find y, Buddhi? Now you know what is x. It is 150. You know this. X is 150 degrees. Gayoni, can you tell me, Buddhi? How you are going to find x?
We have to substitute 30 degrees from 180 degrees
Why is that? What is the reason?
because that line is a straight line.
Right. Okay. So there is something like that. The thing that you need to understand is another. There is a basic theory. Before asking that one, I will go for another one. Susanti, how you are going to find y? Now you guys know this angle, and this x also. You guys know that. Three angles are known, and this you have to find y only.
You can add the three angles and subtract it from 360 degrees.
Yes. Why you are going to subtract from 360 degrees? What is the reason? That's why what I want to know.
Because angles in a quadrilateral equals to 360 degrees.
Yeah. That's the thing. That's the point. Right. So the thing that you need to do is, right? So I don't have enough space, right? So however, so you guys know this already, right? I will clear it, So the
Parallel lines.
Huda?
Parallel lines. The 30-degree angle and the other.
Yeah. That is one of the things. But here that they are expecting is something like, right? angles on the summation of the angles inside a quadrilateral, or you can use that thing that Gagana said. And how the way Isela Buta kiwi, Isela Buta Kali Buta. Do a Buta. So these two are parallel lines, right? And in between parallel lines, so you have Z type of angles. What we are calling that Z type of angle? Can anyone tell me? Open question. Z type of angle in between parallel lines, two parallel lines. Right. Alternate angles, can you remember? Right. Okay. So that is why I told you that part is not needed right now. The thing that you need to know is here you have a quadrilateral. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Right. For a quadrilateral, there are 4 interior angles. Right. The summation of 4 interior angles of the quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. Yes. So that is the theory that you need to know. Right. So I will apply this. So what you are going to find? What you are going to find? You are going to find y. So take it to the first place. Y. Y plus. What is this single angle is called? What we are calling this angle?
Right angle.
Right angle. Then what is the magnitude of that right angle?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. So this angle is a right angle. This angle is a right angle. So I can write 90 degrees plus 90 degrees. Then plus we have already found this x. It is 150 degrees. So you have to add 150 degrees, and this equal to which? 360. Totally 360 degrees. So the reason is you have to write, right, summation of interior angles of a quadrilateral. Sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral. This is the reason. You guys need to write this in the exam. Exam you must write it. So that examiner knows, may know something better. Right? Okay. So 90 plus 90 plus 150. 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 150 means 300. How much? 180, 0, 3, 330 degrees. 330 degrees equals 360. So I am not going to negate from both sides at once. I am going to take it to the other side. Y equals 360 degrees minus 330 degrees. Right? So the answer is 30. Right? By using the parallel two lines, right, and this transversal, by using the alternate angle theorem, you can take y equals 30 at once. Right? Is a type of angle between two parallel lines. So as Gavana said, this is yes. Correct? Okay. So this is the thing. When x equals 8, find the value of x. What is limit? Each and everywhere you have 8. Right? So I will take this one. X upon 8 minus 8. So I am going to substitute here 8 instead of x. 8 divided by 8 minus 8. So simplify 8 divided by 8. 1. 1 minus 8. What is the answer for 1 minus 8? Two directed numbers. Minus 7. Right. So Uda, how you are going to obtain that? So if you have two different sides, for the two numbers. This is positive 1, this is negative 8. Positive 1 and negative 8. So what is the biggest number? 8. 8 is the biggest number. What is the smallest number? 1. Okay. So forget the signs. 8 and 1. Get the subtraction. 8 minus 1, 7. Okay. Right? 8 minus 1, 7. Then how am I going to decide the sign of that number 7? How am I going to decide? What is the biggest number which we have? 8. What is the sign of minus? So minus 7 is the answer. Right. Write as a percentage 3 upon 5. Percentage. Percentage. So what is the thing that you need to do? 3 upon 5. You need to multiply by 100%. So simplify this. 100 is in the numerator, denominator 5, simplify. 5 times 1, 5 times 20. So numerator 20 times 3. So your final answer is 20%. Right? Right.
Sir, 60%.
Yeah, 60. Thank you then. Right? Meter in 3 times 20, 60%. Super. So for today, I will end the session from here. Next week, be prepared for until 8:45. So all ගෙදර ඉන්නේ පුතේ. හරිද? So අම්මලට එහෙම කියන්න මේ බඩගිනි ආපු වෙලාවට කවන්න කියලා. Doesn't matter. හරිද? ඒව අවුලක් නැහැ. හරි? So ඕක පොඩි කාලේ කවා ගන්න වෙන්නේ අම්මට කියලා. When you go to the campus and so on and so forth, right? You have to eat yourself. ඔයාටම කවා ගන්න වෙනවා. You have to feed yourself. හරිද? එතකොට campus එකෙම ගිහුවම අම්ම නැහැ. අම්ම ඉන්නේ ගෙදර. Once a week you will find. You will go to the home, right? හැබැයි ඔයාලා ඌව වෙල්ලස්සට වගේ ගියොත් රුහුණට වගේ ගියොත් සතියට එකපාරක් එන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ හොඳේ. මාසෙකට එකපාරක් විතර තමයි එන්නේ. ඌව වෙල්ලස්ස යුනිවර්සිටි එකට එහෙම ගියොත් එහෙම. It depends on your location. හරිද? So ඒකින්ද අම්මලාට කියන්න අම්මේ පොඩ්ඩක් මේ. රසයෙන් ඉන්නේ පොඩ්ඩක් කවන්න නැහැ කියලා කියන්න. ඒ වෙලාවට. Right? So in next week be prepared until 8:45 p.m. So Buddha, this is the thing that I am doing. Right? So no need to worry about mathematics, right? And I will give you everything, right? No need to take extra materials. කිසිම extra material එකක් ගන්න ඕනේ අම්මලට කරදර කරන්න එපා. හැම ලට්ට ලොට්ටම මං ගාව තියෙනවා. Shall I show you? Right? Papers අරවා මේව ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා හරි. No need to take these things. Sorry, I have all these and papers are here with me. Sorry. So I am including all the things from these things, right, to your tube, right? So okay. For today, I am going to wind up the session from here, right? So guys, before leaving, do you have any question, anything to clarify from this one? Make discuss කරමු ටිකේ or previous?
No, sir. No,
All clear?
sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, good. Right. So I will end the session from here, Budena. Right. So let's meet in the next week as well. Right.